There are two ways to make changes to your table once it's in your document. If you're a right-click person, click in the cell you would like to make your changes, right-click, and you will see a whole list of changes that are available to you. If you're a menu person, click in the cell where you'd like to make the changes, click Format, drive down to Table, and you will see the same list. For instance, if on my table I realized I needed to add a column to the left, I would drive over and click Insert Column Left, and it will add a column to the left of where my cursor was. If I want to add an extra row, it's the same thing. Click on the cell that I would like to add the row and add a row from the menu. Now there's an interesting shortcut. If you highlight more than one cell and do the same choice, you can add multiple rows at a time. My table is listing who's responsible to feed the classroom pets. So I'll add some pets to these columns. I have extra rows, so if I want to delete those rows, I use the same method as I used to add, except now I choose delete. But I would like to combine all of these individual cells into just one. So I will highlight them, and now I have the option to merge the cells. And I can put the title in here. Now, if I want to adjust the individual rows, I can grab the line in between and drag it to make it taller, or wider, or skinnier. And if you find that you have adjusted your rows, but you would like to have them all be the same, you can select the ones that you would like. And then you have another option called Distribute, where you can make rows or columns all be the same. You can also use the Table Properties option to change settings in your cell. You can change the border color, the background color, and the vertical alignment. So if I want to center my title top to bottom in the column, in the row, I can do that. You can set all of them to be a manual row height, and you can change the cell padding, which adjusts the distance between the border and the text or the picture that you're using. You can see that moved my title into the center of the vertical space. You can create some interesting looks for your table by changing the border color to match the background color, so you don't have the distraction of the lines.